You were taught to fear the loud, the violent, the obvious. But nature doesn't kill that way. It smiles first. Then it waits for you to touch the wrong thing. Just like the wrong people. Just like the thoughts that seem comforting. Until they turn. Number 6. Oleander. It looks like a garden gift. Delicate petals. Pink, white, soft like innocence. But inside every leaf, every flower, is a calm kind of death. Oleander doesn't need to shout its danger. It waits in silence. One bite, one sip from the water it touched, and your body begins to fall apart from within. The heart forgets how to beat. And the worst part? You'll remember its beauty, even as it ends you. Nature made it lovely. So you'd trust it first, like the kind of memory that feels safe, until it starts to rot. Number 5. Stonefish. It looks like a rock, just a rock under the sea. Motionless, camouflaged, ugly in a way that doesn't seem threatening. But when you step on it, it reminds you it's alive. Its venom doesn't kill you quickly. It drags it out, every second like your nerves are being ripped open from the inside. Some say it's worse than death. Some say they saw things. When nature hides its danger in stillness, it's because it wants you to learn the hard way. Just like overthinking, quiet on the outside, screaming underneath. Number 4. Manchineel Tree. You'd never suspect it. It looks like a normal tree. Its green fruit resembles small apples, harmless, maybe even inviting. But they call it the tree of death for a reason. Stand beneath it in the rain, and your skin blisters. Touch the fruit, and your throat will burn as if it's trying to escape your body. It doesn't chase you. It doesn't move. It just waits and punishes the ones who forget to be cautious. Or worse, the ones who feel safe. Number 3. Cone snail. Tiny, fragile, beautiful, like a patterned shell made for decoration. But it carries a harpoon-like tooth that can pierce your skin and deliver a toxin with no known antidote. You won't know right away. First, numbness, then paralysis, then silence, not from the world, but from your body, forgetting how to move. It gives no warning. It was just sitting there, looking like something a child might collect. Nature didn't make it small because it was safe. It made it small because that's how it gets close. Number 2. Gympie. Gympie. A plant that looks soft, velvet green, almost comforting. But this isn't softness. It's a trap made of microscopic needles filled with neurotoxin. One brush against its leaves, and the pain begins. A pain so severe. Victims scream. Some consider ending their lives. Some do. It can last for months. Some say N years. And you'll feel it even in the wind. You can't see the danger, but it sees you. Like the kind of relationship you think you've escaped, but still feel in your bones. Number 1. Blue-ringed octopus. It fits in the palm of your hand, glows with electric rings, like something out of a dream. But one bite, and your body begins shutting down. Quietly. You can still hear, still think. But you can't scream, can't move, can't even blink. Your mind stays awake, while your body forgets how to survive. There is no cure, no second chance. It never looked dangerous. Because nature didn't want you to see it coming. Nature never warns twice. What looks harmless today might be your last mistake tomorrow. Like your thoughts, like your trust, like your past. Stay aware. Stay alive. Subscribe before beauty betrays you again.